Alright, grade 10s, we are looking at the isometric drawing on page 7, where you are given a front view, a top view, and a right view of a model in third angle orthographic projection. So what does it mean? And this is what it displays here. This is your front view here, that is your top view, and this is your right view on your right hand side. And there's a 45-degree line that's there on top. And what this 45-degree line means, that this line actually lines up with that line over there. That this front part lines up with that front part over there, and all the in-betweeners will then line up for you to be able to determine how the three views are talking to one another. So you will have this platform here, which resembles this platform over here, which is that platform over there. You will have this back upright part here, which is that back upright two portions over here, which is those two portions that you will see here. And then you have a lowered section here, which is this line here, which is referred to by the dash line that you see over here. So your instruction is basically to convert this orthographic view, or views that you have here of the model, into an isometric drawing, which is the 3D drawing, which by now you have really established yourself in. You need to make A the lowest point of the drawing, which is right here. That is point A. This is point A. It is situated on one specific corner. So that's going to be your lowest point. Keep in mind that the point is going to be here on your drawing, where you're going to start. And whatever's on the right of that point there will be your distance, which you will see on this side here. What is ever on the left hand side of that point will be on this 30-degree line that you will see there. And of course you will have your various heights coming here. This might be omitted here, but if you follow this as it goes, that's going to give you your width that you will find there. This is going to be your length, and there you will have 30 plus 30 plus 30, which will give you an amount of 90 millimeters. Now, just before we go into this drawing formally, I want to give you a little sketch in terms of our planning of how this drawing will unfold. So what I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with my lowest point, and I'm going to draw this L shape that you will see there. And I will have my distances here and there, which is going to be, in this case, 60 to this side, which is going to be there. And I'm going to go up by another 60, which is there. So you will have this, which refers to that line and that line there. Then I'm going to go up by 20. I'm going to go down here by 20. And of course, my 30-degree that way, 30-degree parallel that way, and will formulate that L shape that you see. There is, however, a dash line, which we will establish later what it is, which is these corners that you can't see from the side. Now I'm going to bring in my length. So I'm going to extend that across, I'm going to extend that across, and I'm going to extend that across, and that as well. So my length across would be 30 plus 30 plus 30 will give me 90, and I'm going to measure 90, and I'm going to go up like that, which is parallel to that line. I'm going to go across, which is 30 degrees parallel to this line. I need to go up again, parallel to that, forming that surface there, and then 30 degrees across. And there I have basically created this L-shaped part here. Now, what you will see is that there is a sunken part here, which is also reflected with the dash line that you will see here on the side. So if you look at it, you have to make your three divisions of 30, 30 measured there. It's going to drop down by 20, so you're going to draw that down, and you're going to measure down 20 so that you have that. And of course, once you have done these parts here and you've taken it out, you're going to have a corner here formulating and a corner here formulating, and that corner will go this way as well, creating that back part there. Then we are looking at these components here, and they refer to the slanted section, which you're going to have here and there. So that means it slants down. So it slants from this top point here, right down to this point over here. So you need to create the distance from here to here, which is going to be 20. So you're going to measure 20 and just draw a line there. You're going to measure the same distance across here on this line, which is going to be 30, and the same distance here 30, so that you can directly draw that down, directly draw that down, draw that one down, and that one down. And that will formulate my slanted section. Of course, once I have that one there, it's going to have a corner here and a corner there, and that corner will obviously go to this side here, which you can't see, and it will just fade away there. And there I have my entire planning of my drawing. And this is a way of how you can approach these types of drawings to be able to draw it formally from the given planning, which is your sketch. Let's unfold this drawing in a more formal way.